I love this book. So yeah, my book is here and it's now available on Amazon. I started working on a new book. The working title of the book is the new mixed media photography book. So yeah, it's gonna have all new processes, stuff that I came up with since I wrote the previous book. And now, wow, 10 months later, I did it in 10 months. Not too bad. So yeah, let's quickly see what's inside this book. Let's see what it's all about. First chapter, photo transfer. Photo transfer simply means taking a printed photo and placing it or transferring it to another surface, like wood or canvas or metal, any surface, anything. Second chapter is about gel printing photos, your own photos. Third chapter is about photo editing. You will learn how to edit your photos and make them better, prepare them for image transfer. That's what you're gonna learn. Fourth chapter, where is it? Oh, here it is. Chapter 4, tips and writings. So much stuff in one book. This book is now available on Amazon, so make sure to get your copy soon. There's a lot of work going into a new book. There's writing it and editing and designing it and everything else. But I enjoy it. I love working on the book. I love creating books, and I hope you're gonna love the book too. I love this book so much. Yeah, my book is here and it's I'm done. Third chapter is about can't find it. The problem is I forgot what I wanted to say. You're gonna learn so much stuff just from one book. It's not that hard. Isn't it wonderful? Thank you so much for watching and your interest in the book. I'll see you next time.